Sa paghiwalay nila ni Bel Mariano bilang magka-love team, baon-baon ni Donnie Pangilinan ng mga natutunan niya sa aktres at sa kanilang tambalan sa pagharap sa bagong yugto ng kanyang showbiz career. One of the biggest things, communication is important, aniya, sa Tepsi online show ng ABS-CBN, and I think like 90% of fights or disagreement in the world can be avoided if there was not mixed communication. Dagdag niya, that's really something we work hard to achieve. Every day we were trying hard to achieve that because so many things can be prevented. We made sure that we're in the same headspace. Natutunan din daw niya na ang lahat ng tao ay may kanya-kanyang panig or side sa bawat bagay. Understanding that everyone has a side to things, and you try to understand that everyone's coming from different areas, everyone has problems. You can learn something from every single person. I think that's something that me and Belle really cherish, and yeah, I think moving forward, that's something that will really stick with me, sabi niya. Pati raw kung paano ang mag-handle ng kanyang mga away ay natutunan niya sa journey nila ni Belle. It's how you talk about things, you know, the proper way of handling a fight, mga ganon, sabi ni Donnie. Kahit daw magkaiba na ang paths nila ngayon ni Belle, mananatili raw ang kanyang pagmamahal para sa actress. I think there will always be love there. Belle is one of those people that I consider. And we say that she's really a soulmate. She's someone I've spent so much time with. We're so comfortable with each other. Tila may kay ng actress na si Bianca De Vera na magdesisyon kung anong gupit ang babae sa kanyang collab team na si Dustin Yu. Sa recent event na dinaluan ng dalawa ay ramdam nga ang pag-aalaga nila sa isa't isa, kaya glowing sila pareho. Umaten ang DasBS sa Mega Ball 2026 along with other celebrities noong June 12 at hindi sila nagpakabog sa kanilang mga OOTD. And sleek black suit si Dustin habang naka-shiny black strapless gown with white floral design naman si Bianca. Nang mapadaan ang DasBS sanay ng mga photographer at media, binati sila at napuna ang bagong hairstyle o gupit ni Dustin na anlay bumagsak sa kanya. Nas hair no, ako nagdesisyon yan, grabe, pagbibida pa ni Bianca. In fairness, lalo ngang gumapo sa kanyang paningin ang aktor, iba talaga mag-alaga si Bianca, kitang-kita.
Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.